Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is Sunday, August 7th, 2011. We're out here on Norris Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota, and we're going to run some more old motors. This one here is a 1958 Johnson 3-horse. So here we go. This motor for about 5 years. I got it from another club member, a good friend of mine. Haven't tried running it in about the same amount of time. Never tried it on a boat, but it seems to be doing okay. It's got to be the ignition misfire, but I'm suspecting a foul plug. I'll get some new plugs in it and it'll really run nice. So. That ought to do it. That's firing. Okay, I'm going to head back. Do this one. Thank you for watching.